for him.
Rios.
Come on.
Hi, sir. Tell me your full name.
Patrick Elias Rios.
Mr. Rios, you are here today on counts involving possession of a weapon by a prohibited possessor and another count also of possessing a manufactured weapon. You do have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You do have the right to an attorney on this matter. I am going to appoint the Public Defender's Office to represent you, and you do have counsel seated with you for purposes of the hearing here today. And actually, that's a total of 4 counts, sir, of the possession of prohibited possessor. And also misconduct involving weapons. So all of them are class 4 felonies. Looks like there was a warrant that was issued out of justice court on this case. Also, you were on probation in a matter from 2023, and it looks like probation has placed a hold on you. So regardless of what we do on this case here today, you're going to remain in custody until your probation matter is resolved. I have had the opportunity to take a look at what pretrial services has provided about you. I didn't see a recommendation from the state, Mr. Moser. Hang on. Nope, you're good. It looks like the state is requesting $150,000 on this, and that is the amount that's on the warrant. Mr. Moser, did you want to be heard further?
Your Honor, just a little bit more because it's a warrant and court cannot see the interim complaint. It's possession of weapons. He was on probation at the time. There was some knife-in and analysis. Some of the weapons or the casings were linked to shootings. We're not saying that the defendant is linked to that, but the weapons are linked to those. And so given the nature of that, the possession of firearms, his placement on probation during that period of time, we're going to ask the court to hold him with $150,000.
Mr. Moser, do you have any indication if it was more than one weapon that was collected?
I believe it was multiple weapons, Your Honor.
Don't say anything. Do not say
Can I
it.
tell you?
No, do not say anything about this case. You can talk with your lawyer. It is not going to help you right now. I'm just telling you right now. Do not say a word.
And some of the evidence, Your Honor, is and I think it's pictures of him with firearms, date and time stamped on his cell phone that they were able to see.
Thank you. Ms. Kostick.
Your Honor, in setting the appropriate bond conditions, given the APO hold, I would ask the court to consider Mr. Rios's young age and the fact that he does have confirmed housing and family support with his mother.
I am going to impose a bond in this matter of $100,000. That is going to be a cash or secured bond. If you do post that bond, sir, then you'd be released to the custody of pretrial services. If you're released to pretrial services, you're ordered to participate in any monitoring or treatment they direct. You can't have any alcohol or illegal drugs, and you can't have any firearms or weapons. And again, that will be after your probation matter gets resolved if you do post that bond. Do you understand your conditions of release?
Yes, ma'am.
Your next court date is going to be November 12th at 1:30. That's a preliminary hearing. That court date may or may not occur, but you are responsible for showing up at all future court dates. If you fail to appear, a warrant can issue for your arrest. Do you understand the consequences for failing to appear?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.